Whoa, whoa, whoa. And there he goes again, running. Listen to that. Sounds of a sardine.
Hi there everybody, Shad 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 here at Margate Pier, Shad at the block, Shad at Port Edward, Shad all over the coast. So fun and games all over the coast here, nice size shad. I managed to get my to get away from the office. As you can see, my attire for fishing, I've got my pointy shoes on. But yes, look at this, I managed to come and get a chance out there, and I managed to get my first shad for the season. Super excited. The Angie is going to prep this here for us today. So I haven't put out any live baits. I came for a short whale out of the office. There are guys still trying to shad here now at the moment. Apparently the whole entire day, guys were catching shad on and off. And yeah, so yeah, have a look at that. There's one guy that's on there now already. That looked like Devon, and he's on with a nice one. Look at that. Oh, look at that, he's coming out. Here we go. Look at that, that's a nice size shad. Well done to Devon. So yes, guys, lucky. The guys are still catching shad. Nice stuff here. So fun and games in the south coast. South coast is alive. Southwesterly wind has picked up, and as you can see, the water appearance is looking much better. It's that nice dark green water. It's what we've been waiting for. It's pushing that brown water back, and yeah, hopefully we get more and more game fish coming front. Devon, well done, man. Let's have a look. What you got to say for all the viewers?
It's been a lucky day today.
Good stuff. You also got a shark today?
Yeah, I got a shark today. I love it.
Oh, well done. Nice shad you got there.
Yeah, thanks.
So that's Devon for you. And yeah, he managed to get his nice shad there now. Also him, his dad, and there's his youngsters there. Had some good fun with the sharks as well. So folks, more action to come. Stay tuned on the channel. Watch Angie and I. And yes, folks, take it easy. All the best. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. But stay with us. No sardines as yet. So I hope he's not going to miss us and make a U-turn anywhere. But sardines, we haven't netted out as yet. But as soon as that first net comes on, I guarantee you I'm going to be there. So stay tuned, folks. All the best. So there you go. Some guys are also cleaning up their catch for the day. So each one's got their fair share of 4. Look at this. So good practice, guys. Well done. Well done, guys. You had a good time. Oh, well done, well done, well done. Look at this, and the sizes are wonderful sizes. Look at this, good stuff. So here at Margate Pier, we also got a nice place for cleaning up, guys. So we're washing up. Normally at the end of the day, we take a few buckets of water. You can just push that through there and wash that right back into the sea. It'll get all the way back in there and out here. So that'll keep our ground always grazed throughout. And yeah, attract more and more fish. So that will come down the slipway here, back down here, and that will obviously attract all your bream and your blacktails and the shad and whatsoever that will come through. Here's Sloan. So great stuff. Fantastic day here at Margate Pier. Cody!
Hey, Mike.
whoa. And they do it again, running. Listen to this. Sounds of a sardine.